show you a tutorial on how to draw a girl's face. So first you're going to draw a circle and some lines going down for the base. Draw some of this chin, some curves, and then 2 straight lines down to start the neck, and more curves for the starting of the arms. I'm going to use this bigger eraser to erase the other part of the circle that's inside the face, because we're going to draw like eyebrows and eyes and other stuff in there. So now we're going to draw the eyebrows, which we're going to draw 2 straight lines going down and then some lines going across, and a slanted line at the end, and then trace it all back up, so it could be an eyebrow. Then for the eyes, you're going to draw 2 curved lines and then a swoop at the end for the eyeliner. You're going to draw 1 small line under there with some lines on it for the eyelashes that will be on the under eyes. So now you're going to draw 2 small lines at the corner of the eye to guide you to draw the circle that's going to be in the middle of the eye to be the pupil. And to color it in, I'm going to start coloring dark at the top and then some lighter at the bottom. Now we're going to do the nose, which you're going to draw kind of like really easy. You're going to draw like a curved line and then like 2 dots in the middle and then 2 dots on the sides. Lips is the easiest 2 lines, so 1 curved line on the top and then 1 curved line at the bottom and then a small line inside. I'm going to draw 3 lines for the cheeks, but now we're going to draw the hair. So you're going to draw kind of like a cloud looking like thing, like in like a ball form, and we're going to be drawing curly buns is the hairstyle. So we're going to color it in lightly and try to make the curls visible. And now we're going to, I don't know what to call this, but we're going to kind of draw in at the top of the head and make some bangs, so there's not just a bald forehead. Draw some hair at the 2 sides as well, and then draw some curls for the curtain bangs as well. And now I'm just drawing some little ears. And for the neck, you don't have to do this. You could just do it whatever way you want, but I just do it. But I'm going to draw 2 lines for the arms on each side, and then like 4 lines in the middle. And that's my girl drawing.
My name is Vaishnavi, and I'm going to show you guys how to draw a girl with colored pencils. First, draw a circle, then draw a line across of half of it. Now draw 2 small circles inside. Then for the mouth, just draw a small curve. Next, draw 2 small lines for the neck and make a small curve for the shoulders. After that, we're going to make the shirt and draw 2 small lines next to each other. Next, for the arms, you're going to just make a small slanted line and connect them together on each side. Do the same thing on the other side. Then connect the bottom of it together. Now for the skirt, just draw 2 lines out from each side of the shirt. Then draw small squares to create a skirt so that it looks realistic. Then draw 2 lines on each side for the legs. For the shoes, connect the lines, make a small curve, and then make a triangle and then connect it together to make a short heel boot. Now for the arms, on one of the arms, draw the arms so that's touching the shirt. For the other arm, draw 2 lines and draw 5 curves to make fingers. Now we're going to do the hair again, and you're going to draw 2 small circles on each side to make 2 buns. Now take a flare and flare everything. For the hair, draw the half and color it in. Draw the circles and also color those in. For the eyes, do the same thing, and with your flare, add 2 small curves on each side to make like eyeliners. Also trace the small curve and the outline of your face. Next, to draw the neck and the shoulders. Color in the legs. Now take your pencil and erase the extra pencil lines. Now take a colored pencil or marker and color in your drawing. This is Gianna and Vaishnavi's art. I hope you enjoyed the finished product.
For more videos, check out Miss Smith's page, AJHS, on YouTube.